Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sachin Education Hub. So friends, today we are here to discuss about value investing and growth investing. Actually, these are two different types of investment approaches. One is related with conservative approach and other one is related with aggressive approach. Which one is conservative, which one is aggressive, we will discuss in the difference. So let's start with the difference today. What is the difference or what is the meaning of these two terms? First of all, and thereafter we will discuss the differentiate between these two terms. Okay. So let's start first of all. But before starting that video, one short information to every commerce student is that if any one of you required any commerce subject related notes, then he or she can go to our Telegram channel and as well as go to our website. And the link for both of them is in the video description box. So firstly, we will see the meaning of value investing. Actually, value investing is a type of investing in which the investors focus on buying the undervalued stock with strong fundamentals. In this system, investors seeking out for the stock that are trading at a lower prices than the intrinsic value. And investors look for the companies always with strong fundamentals such as stable earnings, low debt, or consistent cash flow. Investors always look for the companies with stable earning, low debt, and consistent cash flow. This is known as value investing. But on the other side, growth investing is a type of investing in which investors emphasizes on the stock with high growth potential. You can say that they are less concerned with the current valuation of the stock, but they are more focused on the future of the stock. And they always willing to pay the premium for the stock. They always willing to pay the premium for the stock in the future for the purpose of growth. That investing type is known as growth investing, or you can say that investors are known as growth investors. Okay, so this is the meaning of both of the terms first of all. After that, the next difference is on the basis of investment style. I already covered that point. When I start the topic, I already told you one approach is aggressive and other one is conservative. So which is conservative and which is aggressive approach? Obviously, in which we are paying the premium all for the purpose of growth, that is an aggressive approach. So growth investing is aggressive approach. But on the other side, value investing is just to buy the stock with the lower prices and look for the company with the strong fundamentals. So that is the reason you can say that in this we have a conservative approach. So value investing is a conservative approach, growth investing is a aggressive approach. After that, the next difference is on the basis of time horizon. Actually, when in the value investing, investors investors in value stock typically have a long term prospectus. They always ready for the long term value of the stock. They always take the time for the market to recognize the true value of the stock. That is the reason they always go for the value investing for the purpose of long term. But on the other side, in the growth investing, the time horizon can be vary. It may be short term or it may be long term. Some growth investors have a long term perspective, but the other may be focused on the short term also. They always go for the short term opportunities also to capitalize the rapid growth trends as well. So that is the reason growth investing is both short term and long term perspective. But on the other side, value investing is always for the long term because the investors are always ready to take time for the market to recognize the true value of the stock. That is the reason. Okay. After that, the difference is on the basis of criteria. Value investors look for the stock trading at a lower price to the earnings ratio. They always look for the stock trading at lower price to the book ratio. So that is the reason they always choose to the undervalued stock with the strong fundamentals. But on the other side, growth investors prioritize the company with a high earning growth potential, which is often measured by higher price earning ratio. So this is a growth investing. Growth investing is always thinking about high earning growth, high price earning growth ratio. But on the other side, value investing is just thinking about low price earning ratio because I already give you the meaning, because they are always trading in the low price stocks. They are always interested in the undervalued stock. Okay. After that, risk tolerance. Due to the conservative approach, value investing is generally associated with the lower risk, because investors aim to minimize the risk, not to earn the more and more profit. They always ready to minimize the risk. So that is the reason in the value investing the risk is low. But on the other side, in the growth investing, growth investors always tend to have a higher risk tolerance. They are ready to pay the premium. So that is the reason you can also say that there is a greater risk in this investment system. They don't worry, they don't think about the money, they don't think about the risk. They are just more thinking about the premium they want to receive in future. They always ready to earn the money. So that is the reason they also want to take the more and more risk in this case, right? After that, the difference is on the basis of dividend. In the value investing, value investors often prefer the stock that pay the dividend, because the dividend payment can provide the source of income for them. But on the other side, growth investors always prioritize the company to reinvest their earning, so that the company will earn more and more, and automatically the growth investor can benefit from this. So that is the reason growth investors are always interested in the company earnings, because they think that dividend is not only the source of income for them. So that is the reason they always wanted the company to reinvest and earn more and more profit in the future. But on the other side, value investors are always want the dividend, because they are thinking that for them only the source of income is dividend. That is the reason. Okay. Next is sector performance. Value investors typically go for the stable sectors, established sectors, and the sectors that have already established from the long time, especially like utilities, banks, consumer goods, because they may have undervalued opportunities. They will easily get the undervalued opportunity in this case. But on the other side, growth investors are most likely to focus on emerging or high growth sectors, such as technology, such as biotech, such as startups. They always want a rapid growth. That is the reason they go for the higher risk area, higher risk sectors. So this is another reason. This is another difference. And the last difference is on the basis of performance focus. The primary focus of the value investing is on avoiding the losses and achieving the consistent approach. But on the other side, growth investors prioritize the maximizing capital appreciation. They are always willing to accept the volatility. They always ready to get the more returns, and that is the reason they always go for the risk as well. They always ready to pay the premium as well. So this is the performance of the growth investing as well as value investing. I hope you all understand these points very well. So this is the main difference between these two terms. Okay, so that's all for today.